Hello, I'm Annie Sloan and welcome to the Ideal Home Show. So I'm going to be showing you today about how to paint lampshades. There are two different sorts of lampshades, apart from all the amazing different sizes and shapes and what have you. But there are two main ones for considering when you're painting. So this one here is opaque. It's paper and it's solid. So when I put the light on, that design I've already painted doesn't look any different. This, on the other hand, is silk, a rather different shape. And when I put the light on, it's going to look very different. So I'm going to show you there. I painted that. That looks like that. When I put the light on, it's really quite different. So I'm going to show you how to be in control of that so you don't end up with a mess. This is silk and it's transparent. I could paint directly on there. And I'm going to use this line here, which is the metal line underneath, as a bit of a guideline. If you are worried about what sort of design you are going to do, my top tip is go onto Pinterest and search for lampshade designs, and you're going to find a plethora of them. Absolutely wonderful. So I'm going for this sort of design over here, which is a sort of leaf design. It works really well. It's something a bit special as well. Now, I could take my paint. This is chalk paint. It's a water-based paint, and it will go directly onto there. But one thing I really like to see on this sort of transparency look is that I would wet it first. So this is just water, my big brush, wetting it all over. That means that you will get a softer line. So something, rather than getting rather hard, the line turns into a little bit of a water, like a watercolour. And I think it's beautiful. So now that's beautifully wet. I've got one of my detail brushes. It's the pointy one. I'm putting that onto there with a little bit of water, just so that the brush and the paint will flow beautifully. Rather than doing just a straight line down there, I'm going to do a slightly... This is getting in touch with your inner child. It's just doodling. I'm just using the end of the brush and just letting it flow around. Now, I'm going to show you what that looks like with the light on. So the big trick is to check that what it looks like on the outside without light is the same as now. So now you can see some bits are not so good. So I would do what I've just done, paint some of it, and then afterwards go back into it with my brush. Just making it perhaps more solid, or having thinner bits and thicker bits. Of course, it's got to look good with the light on and the light off. So how does that look? Yeah, looks okay. So I will do the same along there. And I could now take a second colour. I'm going to take my Florence green. That was Frida Blue. This is Florence, sort of a bluey green colour. I like them together. Choice of colour, of course, is totally up to you. And maybe I'm going to do something similar to that little design there. And maybe just do a little few leaves offered. Now what's happening, because of the water, they're spreading out, which I really like. It also makes it easier to paint. And then I carry on and do the same on that one. So this is how it's looking. I'm just going to check what it looks like without the light on. Yeah, looks okay. This one is slightly wetter, and I did it quite quickly, and that was the one I started with. Did secondly, and it's really quite spread out. I think you've got to expect that it's not all going to be absolutely perfect, but I think that's part of its beauty and joy. So obviously the sky's the limit. Have lampshade, have paint, and you can go anywhere you like. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will be Annie Sloan at the Ideal Home Christmas show, so come and see me there, please. And yeah, there's more to be seen on the YouTube channel.